kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 1, Chapter 14, Best Friends. Learning Objectives. Friendship is true wealth. Greediness leads to bad circumstances. तो हम क्या जानेंगे? फ्रेंडशिप इज ट्रू वेल्थ यानी दोस्ती जो है वो ही असली आपकी दौलत होती है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती है। और लालच आपको कभी कभी बुरी कंडीशंस में डाल सकता है, बुरी सिचुएशंस में डाल सकता है। जॉइन द डॉट्स ऑफ द फिगर्स, नेम एंड कलर देम टू दिस एक्टिविटी with your best friend and let them create a short poem on it. So kids, what you have to do is, here you can see 4 pictures and you will complete them after joining the dots, and then you will color in it, and also with your friend you will create a short poem on it. So kids, like this you will complete all 4 pictures, and after that you will color in it and you will also create poem. Once upon a time there lived 4 friends, a fox, an eagle, a mouse and a tortoise. This is a story of friends and their friendship, how they use their wisdom against their biggest enemy, men. एक बार की बात है, 4 दोस्त एक साथ रहते थे और वो 4 दोस्त कौन थे? फॉक्स, ईगल, माउस और टॉर्टॉइस। तो ये स्टोरी है दोस्ती की, फ्रेंडशिप की, कि कैसे उन लोगों ने अपने दोस्त को बचाया अपनी बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल करते हुए। किससे? एनिमी से। और एनिमी कौन है? मैन। One evening, the mouse, the eagle and the fox were gossiping. Suddenly, they heard a strange noise. They all ran to see what happened exactly. When they reached there, they saw that it was their friend, the tortoise. He was trapped badly in a hunter's net. तो एक शाम को 3 दोस्त आपस में क्या कर रहे थे? आपस में गॉसिपिंग यानी बातचीत कर रहे थे। कौन कौन? माउस, ईगल और फॉक्स, ये तीनों ही आपस में बातें कर रहे थे। अचानक से उन्हें एक आवाज़ सुनाई दी और वो उस आवाज़ की तरफ बढ़े तो उन्होंने देखा उनका दोस्त जो कि टॉर्टॉइस है वो बहुत ही बुरी तरह फंस गया है हंटर नेट में यानी शिकारी के जाल में। द माउस नरेटेड द होल प्लान टू हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल एग्रीड टू द प्लान. द 3 फ्रेंड्स वर रेडी टू हैव देयर फ्रेंड एट एनी कॉस्ट. उसके बाद जो माउस था उसने अपने दोस्तों को प्लान बताया, प्लान नरेट किया यानी बताया कि कैसे हम लोग टॉर्टॉइस को बचा सकते हैं। उन तीनों ने ही वो प्लान सुना और उसके बाद उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपने दोस्त को किसी भी कीमत पर बचाएंगे। Slowly the fox went near the tortoise and according to their plan she lay down on the ground and pretended to be dead and breathless. So धीरे से क्या हुआ? फॉक्स जो है वो टॉर्टॉइस के पास गया, वहां पे वो प्रिटेंड करने लगे कि वो मर चुकी है और उसे सांस नहीं आ रही है, ब्रीथलेस हो चुकी है। The black big eagle flew toward the fox and pretended to peek at him so that the whole scene looked real. उसके बाद जो ईगल थी वो फॉक्स के चारों तरफ घूमने लग गई ताकि देखने वाले को ऐसा लगे कि वो सीन रियल है और ईगल जो है उसे खाना चाहती है यानी उसे नोचना चाहती है। The hunter rolled up his net with the tortoise inside it. As he started walking home, he saw a fox. तो हंटर जब टॉर्टोइस को लेके ही आ रहा था तो वो क्या देखता है? वो फॉक्स को देखता है। He thought the fox to be dead and wanted to take it home. So he put down the net and walked toward the fox. On the other hand, according to the plan, the eagle flew round and round the fox. He flapped his wings and did not let the hunter go near him. जैसे ही हंटर जो है फॉक्स को देखता है वो डिसाइड करता है कि वो इसे घर लेके जाएगा। वो उसकी तरफ बढ़ने लगता है, लेकिन ईगल जो है वो फॉक्स के चारों तरफ घूमती रहती है, अपने पंख फड़फड़ाती रहती है ताकि हंटर उसके पास ना आ सके। और इस बीच में हंटर ने क्या किया, वो जाल जिसमें टॉर्टॉइस फंसा हुआ था उसे एक तरफ रख दिया। The mouse crept up to the tortoise and started biting the net with his sharp teeth. While the eagle kept the hunter busy, the mouse set the tortoise free. So, जैसे ही माउस ने देखा कि शिकारी ने जाल एक तरफ रख दिया, वो जल्दी से जाल की तरफ बढ़ा और अपने शार्प टीथ से उस जाल को काटने लगा। और उसी दूसरी तरफ ईगल ने जो है हंटर को भी बिजी कर रखा था। Once the tortoise had escaped, the eagle let out a loud caw and flew away. The fox too got up and ran away quickly. जैसे ही टॉर्टॉइस जाल से बाहर निकला, ईगल जो है उसने लाउड सा एक साउंड क्रिएट किया और वो उड़ गया, और फॉक्स भी जो है वो जल्दी से उठा और भाग गया। The hunter was stunned. He went back to the tortoise, but he found that the net was torn and the tortoise had gone. तो हंटर जो है बहुत स्टन यानी सरप्राइज रह गया, क्योंकि फॉक्स तो चला ही गया था, लेकिन वो वापस आके देखता है कि टॉर्टॉइस भी जा चुका है। The four friends were happy because finally they were successful in their plan. It was a victory of their wisdom, teamwork and true friendship. तो चारों दोस्त क्या हुआ, चारों दोस्त बहुत ही खुश हुए क्योंकि उन्होंने टॉर्टॉइस को बचा लिया। और ये किस चीज़ की विक्ट्री थी, वो कैसे विजय हुए, अपनी बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल करते हुए, टीम वर्क करते हुए और अपनी दोस्ती की वजह से। फाइंड मीनिंग, विजडम, इंटेलिजेंस, enemy, a person who does not like another much, strange, weird, trapped, caught in something. Exercise, creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever been to a picnic with your friends organized by your school? Share your feelings about that picnic. Also mention different activities that you enjoyed with them. So kids, this question you will do by yourself. You will share your feelings and experience with your friends, that when you go to the school picnic, what you have feel and how did you enjoy there. Cross-curricular connect, learning by doing. Draw happy face for the things that your best friend likes. Draw sad face for the things that she does not like. So kids, this question also you will do by yourself. You will ask your friend that in the given things what she or he like. Did he like jam? If yes, then you will make happy face. Did he like oranges? No, so you will make sad face. So like this, you will complete this question. Critical thinking, let's play a game. Do this activity with one of your best friends. Read the actions given in the boxes. Color the boxes with action that both of you have done. So kids, this is your activity you will do with your friend. So you will read all the actions given here and then you will discuss, have you both done this action? And if yes, you will color that. If no, you will not color that. Give food to an animal. Have you both done this? Yes, you will color it. Learn swimming. Have you both done this? No, you will not color it. Went to a carnival. If yes, have you both go to the carnival? Yes, so you will color it. If no, you will not color it. So like this, you will read all the actions and then discuss with your friend and color the action which you both have done. Logical decision making. Here are some riddles given. Your teacher will divide the class into groups of 4. Solve them with the help of your friends. The group which solves the puzzle first will be the smartest of all. So kids, this is also your class activity. Your class teacher will divide you in 4 groups and give you some riddles to solve. So which group will solve the riddles first will be the smartest one. How do you express your love to your mother? You will solve it. How many times can you subtract 10 from 100? You have to solve it. Why are teddy bears never hungry? You can keep it only after giving it away to someone else. What is it? So you will read carefully and answer them all. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. A. Which two animals did the hunter want to take home? The two animals were fox and tortoise the hunter want to take home. B. Why can we say that the four animals were true friends? We can say that the four animals were true friends because they helped one of their friend tortoise when he was in trouble. They did not left him and help him to escape from the hunter's net. B. Find their meanings. A. Hunter, a person who hunt animals for food or sport. B. Pretend, to believe or make believe. So kids, you will find all the words meaning and write in your notebook. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The four friends were mouse, fox, tortoise, and eagle. B. The tortoise was trapped in a hunter's net. C. The dash had a plan, mouse. D. The fox pretended to be dead and breathless. E. The eagle flew around and around the fox. D. Take the right option. 1. Who was animal's biggest enemy? A. Lion. B. Men. C. Fox. B. Men. 2. Who narrated the plan? A. Eagle. B. Fox. C. Mouse. C. Mouse. 3. What happened in the end? A. The hunter caught all of them. B. The hunter got scared. C. All of the friends escaped from the hunter. C. All of the friends escaped from the hunter. E. Match the following. Column A, column B. Fox, rolling. Rat, scratching. Eagle, hissing. Tortoise, cook cook. So here, kids, your chapter is finished. See you in next class.